good morning everyone! Now today we are going to continue the second part of our project. We are going to make a base where we can put all the mountains that we have made from the first video. Now, have you got your material ready? So you'll be needed a shoebox, okay? Bigger size, okay? Construction paper, any double-sided tape or masking tape or any kind of tape, and glue stick. Of course, your scissors. Now let's get started. Okay, first use the lid of your shoebox as the base for the. Okay, use it as a base. Okay, now you have to secure it, tape it nicely. Okay, so it can move around like this. And then later on, you will cover the inside here with blue, and here the bottom with green. Okay, and you can make some decoration for the box inside. Let's get started. We are pretty much done. So you can put decoration, you can have a river or other things on the land. Okay? So we are done with the box today. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.